So here we are at our RAF Cosford to have a look round. Show you what it's all about. Section of the outdoor planes, main car park, picnic area, main entrance. There's even a park for the kids. There they go, seaplane. There it is, Spitfire from the Battle of Britain. Another view of the Spitfire. Messerschmitt, Spitfire's enemy. Tiger Moth, built in 1941. It was a popular training aircraft. Right to Vickers, Wellington. Front end of the Wellington there. As you can see the guns. That's where the pilot would be. Inside the Wellington bomber. Lincoln bomber. Massive. That's where the bombs dropped from the Lincoln bomber. The bomber, Wellington, massive. Just about to see the rear gunner. Another Luftwaffe bomber. Junkers. Just read there's only 2 of these left. Messerschmitt had a distinctive camouflage. The bomber was used in a dogfight, not a removal one. Okay, this is a Fucker Wolf. Not swearing, that's what it's actually called. Loads of jokes about these planes. I think it's a mosquito. That's where the bombs came from. Another Messerschmitt, but this time it's a jet fighter. One was surrendered to the British in northern Germany at the end of the Second World War. That's what it's like in the 30s. It's a 1930s bomber. And there it is, an Hurricane. Another famous British plane. Less. Some of the supersonic planes here. A couple of First World War planes. Imagine that firing it, yeah. Rear gunner, front gunner. Dates from 1917. Back to a bit more modern now. This is an orca. Still don't know what this one is. But it's huge. Right, so that's it for the second at first angle. So they're surprised to see a tank in the Air Force Museum. This is all to do with the Cold War though in here. Russian Meg, supersonic, single seat, interceptor. It's an F-111, so 111, that's all I know. It's an American plane, I think. This is a Meg-15, single seat, jet interceptor fighter. Maximum speed, 688 miles an hour. It's a British photo plane, Canberra, if I said that right. Taking photos. You see this picture of inside. This is a refueling tanker for long ranges. Can't get much of it because it's so packed in here with airplanes. He's a cheeky maiden. It's one way to display it now. On display. One of the tanks at the museum. It's a Leopard, main battle tank. To do submarines. This is a Lockerhead nuclear missile. Polaris or something like that. Said it wrong again. Inside one of the tanks on display. As you can see, not a lot of room. Scorpion tank. Served in the Falklands in 1991. This German saloon car. Few cars. So to maintain your aircrafts. West German saloon car. The Beetle. British mini car. Anti-aircraft missile defense armor carrier. Sorry. It's a Scorsese helicopter. Inside look. First used in service in 1968. Cold War anchor. that we've been in. Right, so inside one of the other hangars. Wessex helicopter. 52-hour missile. Range of 11 miles. German. Sky Flash. Range of 28 miles. Solid fuel rocket. Light transport trainer. 1936 to 1968. Don't know if you can see him there, but there's a gun. Alright, so this is a Canute. I think I've said that right again. Look inside the Boeing Canute helicopter. Think of all the men and stuff in there. So this is a Harrier, built in 1982, sent to the Falkland Islands to reinforce the British task force. Okay, so this is James May Airfix Spitfire 1:1 scale. And there he is himself, James May. Great programme if you want to watch it and catch up or something. Lots of engines in this hangar, if you're into that kind of thing. First monoplane trainer. Okay, this is the end of the video. Hope you've enjoyed it. It's a great free day out for young and old at RAF Cosford. Please like and subscribe. See you soon.